Vancouver airport. I'm going to LA for a really short trip just to see some friends, and I'm really ready to escape this weather. Finally got out of the airport. It's been like, it was a big chunk of waiting for my luggage, and then now I finally got my car rental. I haven't rented a car from the airport before. I usually go out of the airport, but lucky for me, I got an upgrade on the car. They said that they couldn't have the car for me because I guess it was occupied, and so they offered me a Jeep Wrangler, and I was like it's a little boxy. And so I think he ended up getting me some sort of convertible. I think it was a Dodge. Okay, for the moment of truth. Dang. This is the Airbnb, so small bathroom. Then this is like the main area, lobby. Then you walk into the bedroom. So it has a little kitchen station. So it doesn't have a full kitchen, but they have like all the little appliances, coffee bar, and then just the bed. And then the TV is up there. So I think it's really cute for 1 or 2 people. Good morning. It is Thursday today. I'm just getting ready because I have a graduation to go to. But show you that outfit. I'm just wearing a slip dress from Aritzia, and then I'm going to be wearing like a cardigan on top. But right now it is 7 in the morning, and I'm usually used to waking up at 7 for work, but I'm on vacation, and so went to bed a little bit late last night. So hopefully the sun will give me the energy that I need, because clearly we don't have bad sun in Vancouver. Good morning. Today is Friday, and as you see, I'm gonna go to In-N-Out. Finally gonna put the convertible to a test and gonna take some photos at In-N-Out. Just can't wait to get my fix of In-N-Out because I've been really craving it. I'm gonna attempt to open the hood of the convertible. Kind of a little cold, so it's not fully hot enough where it's like a warm breeze, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna be going on the highway, so I don't know how that's gonna be like, but I have seat warmers, so it's fine. course, house ornaments. Taking Convertible ride in the convertible. Japanese pasta. Currently in Little Tokyo area because we are gonna get some pasta. And I'm excited. I've had this place on my list for a while, so I'm gonna see how good it tastes. Walking in Little Tokyo. And yeah, went to Joe Angeles. Got some stuff. Finally came out to come see me.
I know. Hey, yo, welcome to LA. Actually, I'm back.
Yep, tomorrow.
Hey. Oh, what's up, Taylor?
What's he?